Good day to you and welcome to another Paddocks video. Today I want to talk to you about body corporate postboxes and notice boards. These days we spend a lot of time thinking about digital communications. It has become the norm to send letters and notices by email. Today I will be looking at a few old school notification and delivery methods. I was very interested to hear from Zelinda recently that one of our client schemes has built a special postbox on the grounds of the scheme, and the trustees have taken a formal decision that this postbox is the body corporate's official service address, its domicilium setandi et executandi. Why, you may ask, would the trustees do this? Well, this is a self-managed scheme in which the trustees deal directly with all owners and tenants. For some time, the chairperson's section has been the body corporate service address, but in recent months, one owner who is in conflict with the trustees over various issues has taken to arriving at the chairperson's door and making a nuisance of herself at all times of the day and night. The chairperson is no longer prepared to put up with this, to be woken up at night, and that's the basic reason. Now, this is probably very unusual, but in self-managed schemes generally, it is perhaps worth asking the question whether a body corporate postbox on the scheme premises is not perhaps a better service address than the chairperson's or some other trustee's section. The body corporate postbox idea is meant to deal with communications to the body corporate from owners, occupiers and others. But in any scheme, one can also introduce substantial efficiencies in physical delivery of information from the body corporate to other people if the scheme erects a lockable glass-fronted notice board on the property and makes a rule that effectively makes it the obligation of owners and tenants to look at that notice board for notifications. There are a number of our client schemes that use this method for outward communications. For example, notices of trustee meetings can be posted on the notice board, and if owners are keen to attend, then they must go to establish the time and location of the meeting from the notice on the notice board. We recently had a situation in which a tenant removed a notice from the scheme's notice board and then claimed he had not received notice. The notice was to tell occupiers that the body corporate's beetle inspector would require access to the sections for an inspection of the timber. The tenant must have also been the forgetful type because he forgot that one of the scheme's CCTV cameras covered the notice board until he was shown the recorded footage of his breaking the glass to get in and remove the notice. It's not probably practical to put very long documents on a secure notice board, but this may be something you want to consider, perhaps as an additional form of notification over and above electronic and postal communication to those who are not able to access the notice board on a regular basis. Thank you for joining me in this Paddocks video.